I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright? Now, put this one back a few videos, but here it is. Alright? Yeezy video day. Alright? So, I'm going to film 2 videos, and I'm going to wear this outfit. So don't think, oh man, he wore the same thing 2 different days. I'm filming both videos at the same time. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright? Yeezys. Boom. 350s. We know this box. We're very familiar with this box. Alright? Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas. Alright? Now these are the Yeezy Boost 350 colorway ash blue, ash blue, ash blue. Alright? And now, these, the unicorn size, 13 and a half. I have made it my mission now that if I cannot get the shoe, if I cannot get the Yeezy in a 13 and a half, I'm not buying it. No more 14s in Yeezys. No more 14s. Unless maybe it's a 700, maybe. But as far as 350s, no more. 380s, no 14s. Just 13 and a half. It fits perfect for me. So, let's get into this, man. Y'all know why we here. Y'all know why we are here. Hit these on the Adidas app. The Adidas Confirmed app, actually. Hit them straight off Confirmed. So, yes, sir. Let's get into them, man. But of course, you all know how I do it. Right here on Big Roth TV. What is this? What was that? What is? Oh, okay. Just describing the shoe. Just describing. Special knitting process creates a one-of-a-kind Primeknit upper for every pair, ensuring nobody else has one just like these. Alright, that's basically a card in a bunch of different languages explaining that process. Alright. Some more blue Yeezys, baby. You know what I say? There was once a time that these were hard to get. It was so hard to get Yeezys. The entire time that I was stationed over in Spain, it was a rarity that I was able to hit for some Yeezys off of the Adidas app or the Adidas website. It was such a hard thing to do. But it has become a fairly good process. Your chances are pretty good getting Yeezys off of the Confirmed app. Or, in the case of the next pair that I'm going to show you, off of the regular Adidas app. And it's a fair process. You can just either get them from the draw, which gives you a fair shot at them, or in the case of some other ones, they might wind up just on the Adidas app, and you can just go get them. It's not hard as Jordans are, or certain LeBrons, or certain Nikes. You know what I mean? These Air Max Bacons that are about to release, they're gonna be super crazy and super hard to get. Nike, you need to be taking notes from Adidas. Use the same process so that we can get your shoes like we get these. All right. Anyway, ash blue Yeezys. We all know what Yeezys look like, man. We know about these. I would go as far as to say that this shoe reminds me a lot of this one. All right. I think these were like the ice blue Yeezys. You know what I mean? Boom. I've had these for a few years. Look at that. I really wore these. I really kind of wore these out a little bit. But nonetheless, almost that zebra, but it's that like light hint of blue. And that's kind of what, especially around that midsole, it kind of reminds me of these. Or these remind me of these. So, but look at the difference. This is a 14. This is a size 14. And that's a size 13. Don't these look so much bigger than the 13 and a half? 14, 13 and a half. 14, 13 and a half. Don't these look so much bigger? Man, that's why I had a size 14 and a half in the frozen yellows. I just sold those. So I'm trying to wipe out almost my 14s in Yeezys, the 350s especially, and go with the 13 and a halves because it's a much better fit, much more comfortable fit. So we'll see how that goes. The difference I think in these is that it feels softer. The material feels softer on the sides than it does here to me. I feel like the sides on these, I feel like it's a little bit thicker. I feel like those sides are a little bit thicker, whereas these are a lot more thin. So, but that may not be a bad thing. More breathable for sure. These are definitely more breathable. This is your tag, the sizing. So of course you see that 13 and a half there. All right. Very nice, man. Very nice. 13 and a half US. I'm gonna have to get this out of here. Yellow stripe going down the side there into the front. I'm sure you all have seen these. The stitching that goes down the center there and also on the rear. And then you have your 3 stripes. 3 stripes on the back heel tab there. This is where you'll pull to get your shoe on. You know what I just realized is that there's no pull tab on the back of these. I just realized that. There's no pull tab like on this. There's no pull tab on the back of this one. Huh. That kind of reminds me of, this is the first one that I ever had. This is the first Yeezy that I ever got. But on the back of these, there's no pull tab on that. So this kind of reminds me of that. This is a size 13, keeping these. But, yeah, that's weird. I kind of thought all the new Yeezys came with the pull tab on the back. Huh. I like that light blue kind of midsole there. I like that. And you can see the boost through it. Then the bottom is the same. Boost there. On the inside, Yeezy, Adidas Yeezy. Adidas Yeezy on the inside. Might not be able to see that, but that's what's in there. All right, typical Yeezys. Typical Yeezys. You know what I mean? But I did score these from the Confirmed app. All right. So, you know what we got to do now? We got to take these boys on feet. All right. Here we are on feet. Boom. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I like the way that 13 and a half fits. Man, I love it. I love it. Fits pretty good. 13 and a half are the best fit in the 350s, especially with that material being a little bit softer. Definitely nice though. Comfy. Comfy boys. Can wear these all day. And your feet will feel perfectly fine. That's the best thing about Yeezys, is the comfort. I'll tell you what, man, if you've never owned a pair of 350s, or even my favorite at the moment, the 380s, if you've never owned a pair of Yeezys, man, get you some. Get you a pair. Your feet will thank you. Yes, sir. Now let's get some of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. Now let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's going to do it for these. Yes, sir. You know what these are, man. These Yeezys. The Yeezy 350. These are ultimately the Jordan 1s of Yeezy. Of the Yeezy brand. The Jordan 1s. There's so many of them. There's a pair or two. They come out every month. It's just like, you know, Jordan 1s of some sort. So we all know what these are. We know about these Yeezys. But I will say, comfort, if you're looking for a shoe strictly off comfort, get you some Yeezys, man. It ain't very many shoes beating this shoe as it relates to comfort. There's just not. It's just not. I have plenty of shoes in this room right now. I have hundreds of pairs of shoes in this room. There's not very many. If I'm just trying to grab a shoe, man, we're going to be on our feet all day. I need something for comfort. Yeezys. Yeezys. Your feet will thank you. I'm trying to tell you. But anyway, that's going to do it for these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.